Hey guys, today we're gonna teach you how to restore your laptop and just generally repair it. So here we have my broken laptop, and a lot of people ask where I got my knowledge from to repairing things, and Clash of Clans, of course. So you just gotta hit it again. It should begin working in a little bit. So it should be now repaired. Okay, I guess we have to move on to a bigger equipment base. Oh. Alright. Got a bigger and nicer sledgehammer. Dang it. It should begin working now. Oh, God. Alright, I guess we need to move on to bigger. Oh. Alright, it should begin working now. This was actually my dad's favorite laptop. It should begin working now. It should be. What? Well, that's why it wasn't working. The battery wasn't placed in it.